Steph and her 2-valve. So the first pass she just made, seems like she deep staged the car, but we also think something else is going on where she revved it a little bit higher than I'd like her to. You know, on the 27 from the last video on my wheels, I had her revving to 6 grand and then just kind of slowly slipping it out so that the tire would eat. She's back on her 26s now, so I kind of want to be a little bit more careful. I told her to drop it down to like 5, but she went out there and she deep staged and then launched at 6. Ended up having a 12.4 at 116. Not a horrible pass, but she's got her jitters going now, so hopefully they're gone. But here we go. So here's the infamous 2-valve stock 225,000 mile car with a bullet intake and a pro charger. That's really it up here. Everything else is stock components, stock throttle body. We had a guy make this, Joe at Tempest Racing did this intake for us. Let's see, and then that's really it with the car. She's also pretty much gutted on the inside, besides the seat, right? So she weighed the car on Sunday and the car weighed, I think, 3,200 pounds or so. So right now she's sitting at 3,200 pounds with her in it. Pretty light car. We just got to get it to 60 foot and she'll run at 11 out the back door easy. If we can get that 60 foot back to what we had this past weekend, I think it was 170s. I think it'll do what it needs to do right now. It's cooler right now. I want to say it's probably in the high 70s, mid 70s, versus on Sunday it was like 85. So we're just hoping that we can get that glory pass and just put the car on the trailer and be done, because we've both been up for an extremely long time today, and we're just ready to go home. So let's see what happens.
A few moments later.
Checking in tires. What you got, sweetie?
13 in both.
13 in both? Alright, so she just made her second hit about 20 minutes ago or so. I'm out here trying to cool intercooler. I had the hood up, but we're starting to move again, so I didn't want to get caught with the intercooler and then be, well, not the intercooler, but caught with the fan. So I just want to, you know, closed the hood, and then I got this on the intercooler, just trying to cool that off a little bit. But cooled the Pro Charger off, started cooling the intake off, and it is what it is. But hoping either she's next. I think there's two cars in front of her, so either she's next or she'll be within the next 30 minutes, so we can get the heck out of here, man. We're a little bit tired. So she went, I think, 12.2 that pass, kept the 116 mile an hour, which is great. But what happened was the inside lights for the speedometer and everything, she pulled back on the knob, and I guess the knob didn't agree, so it broke, and she wasn't able to see the gauges themselves, so she doesn't know what she launched at, shifted at, but she still trapped 116. So I'm super excited to see that, because the car was losing mile an hour last year, and we actually found out what the issue was. What it was is the valve cover wasn't tight, so the top couple bolts were like loose, hand tight, and they were shooting oil all over the motor. I fixed that, and then after I fixed that, you know, we went over the motor, once over that, and once over the car, and everything looks great now. So I'm glad to see that everything I did and we did actually works now. So we'll see what happens on this next pass.